What's up everyone and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial. If you need to reset a user's Google Workspace password, here's how to do it in just a few steps. Just sign in to the Google Admin Console at admin.google.com using an administrator account. From the dashboard, click Users. Select the user whose password you want to reset, then open the user's account and click Reset Password. Enter a new temporary password or just let Google generate a secure password automatically. If you want the user to create their own password after signing in, enable Ask for a password change at the next sign-in. Click Save to apply the new password and share the temporary password securely with the user so they can sign in. And that's it, the user's password has been reset and they'll be able to access their Google Workspace account with the new credentials. If this tutorial helped you out, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.